Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can find videos that you've watched on TikTok, but you've accidentally scrolled, refreshed the page. Sorry, not scrolled. You accidentally refreshed the page and you still want to watch that video and you're like, oh no, I cannot undo that. But now you can actually find that video in your watch history. So just go to your profile page and select the three lines. Go to settings and privacy, and you're going to select comment and watch history, and you are going to select the watch history button, and you'll be able to see the watch history, the videos that you have watched, or the videos that you've seen on the timeline and you've accidentally refreshed that. You can see it there. Super simple. And that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And that is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.